I got Gertrude devices. The black hole. I already got it.
Nice! I need ammo!
What is that? Oh.
I don't know. Huh.
Getting low on ammo. I'm all out of juice.
Yeah, John.
This will be a great kindness.
At the mystery box, I got a pistol.
I'm down to a stupid shotgun again.
I got a handgun.
Oh, wow.
This is my badass handgun.
Oh, feel that, marrow maggot!
I can do like 15 shots in 3 seconds. With the handgun.
Woo! Who loves your freak sex? Think I'm gonna need a clip soon.
We're going to that, huh?
I don't know. There's that guy up there, but he's about to die. Have you gone to the mystery box? Oh shit.
There are plenty of zombies for everyone.
Oh, where's that one dude?
Killing them all.
Alright, hold up. Alright, follow me. Alright, come on.
Where'd they go?
I need to go get another weapon, dude.
Yeah, come on.
Oh,
we're gonna
yeah.
go to the mystery box.
Okay.
Oh shit.
There's a whole crap load of them over here.
Check out all that blood!
Oh snap. Oh shit. Oh, I just found this.
I told you not to touch me, bone junkie!
Oh fuck.
Watch out behind you, man.
Hold up, let me go grab this.
What you gotta do?
Getting steady! Good deal!
I'm gonna die!
Take that!
Hold up. Ah, I'm dying.
We'll come back to life here in a little bit.
I don't think throwing my gun at them will be as effective as having ammo.
Alright, I'll kill him over here. Cool. Oh, damn it.
I'll come behind you, dude. Wow.
Yeah, now we're talking.
Oh, want me to spawn you guys up here?
That bladders are just a red mist everywhere.
Oh shit, there's another one.
There it is. Part2.
Crawler!
Oh shit, there's another one.
Ew.
This guy's following me.
Woo!
Feel me, maggot addicts!
Oh shit.
No guns. No problem.
Hey, somebody watch that upper window. I'll cover the front. Somebody take top window. Oh shit. You fucking dumbass is standing there. Gee, oh god.
Back up!
Thank you, Adrian.
Gotcha.
You guys are just falling apart. Tank's empty, kicking ass and making messes.
Ah. Fucker left us.
Die, you blood-guzzling gutter slugs! Die! Can't break his boom, maggot addicts! Yo, no ammo. No ammo. No weapons. Now the real fight begins.
Reach for Juggernaut tonight.
I love the little AK.
Doesn't get any better.
Have you hit up the mystery box?
Hey, dude, you want to get me some ammo?
Adrian.
Yeah.
Go up to the power room.
I'm trying to get a caller here. Ah, I killed him. Crap. Oh, crap. Got a runner. Oh, they're still coming big time.
Take that, you soulless creature! Still, this box mocks me with its fickle ways. I will repay this debt on my honor. Empty I am.
Oh shit! I got the thunder gun.
Again!
Hey, is there anybody alive?
Yeah. The guy in the.
They're right behind me.
Yeah, I got them, man. Go to the mystery box. It's up there.
Okay.
I got the thunder gun. Alright, we got this trailer.
Really?
What you get?
My weapon is hungry for ammo.
I got a fucking pistol, dude.
Go repair some windows real quick.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm looking for. There we go.